Antebrachium. The forearm stretches between elbow and the wrist. Its proximal border is a line passing 2 fingers width distal to the elbow fold. The distal border is a line passing 1 cm proximal to the styloid process of the radius and ulna. The antebrachium is subdivided into anterior and posterior antebrachial regions by means of 2 longitudinal lines. The radial one connects processus styloideus radii with the lateral epicondyle. The ulnar line connects processus styloideus ulna with the medial epicondyle. Fascia antebrachi. A continuation of the brachial fascia is rather dense, particularly in its proximal region. Here, fibers of the superficial antebrachial muscles attach to the thick facial layer. The fascia is fixed to the posterior margin of the ulna, either directly or through a short fibrous band. The fascia sends 2 septa towards the radius, anterior and posterior radial septa. They divide the forearm into 3 osteofibrous compartments, anterior, posterior, and radial compartments, which houses the corresponding muscle groups.